Sergio Flores here with True Grit Roofing Company. We're out here in the roofing project today, and I wanted to go over a little bit about why we're replacing this roof. So there's two main factors that the homeowner took into consideration when deciding whether or not they should have this roof repaired versus replaced. And one of the things that was happening here was because of all the trees that we see around the actual property, there's plenty of trees. We're in Shawnee, Kansas today, and there's a lot of squirrels. The squirrels were actually digging their way into the wood shake shingle roof and getting inside of the squirrels were attic structure. Now, we've had this case happen many times before with wood shake roofs. Family of coons, family of possums, finding their way into that warm attic in the wintertime. And that was one of the top factors of why we're replacing this roof. The second factor is going to be because it's a wood shake roof and it's practically wood. There's a high risk of it being flammable, of it, turning on fire. And because of that, insurance companies see that as a high risk. So from my understanding, these particular clients were only able to get insured by one insurance carrier. So they were dictated to one insurance carrier and had to pay high or are paying high premiums for this roof. So what this process looks like is we're going to get rid of all the wood shingles. We're going to put new plywood sheathing down, new architectural shingles down again that are actually going to be impact resistant, class 4 rated, and they're not going to have this problem anymore as far as critters getting in. And their insurance premium is going to drop way down low. One, simply because they're going with asphalt shingles versus wood shingles, and two, because they're getting impact resistant shingles, which is a very tough, very sturdy roof, very sturdy shingle. So those are the top two factors of why these customers decided to replace this roof. I'll let you take a look around at some footage of the project as it's moving along. And if you have a look around a wood shake roof of yourself or wood shingles and would like to have it assessed, feel free to give me or my team a call, and we'll come out there and meet you, assess it, see what's going on, and make some proper recommendations of whether you can repair your roof or if it would have to be replaced. We're going to see you soon.